And we're back to HTML Canvas. This time I'm going to show you how you can create a donut, and the method can be used to create cutouts out of any shape. First instinct would be to just create two circles, one for the background and one to be on top. And the one on top should have the same fill style, so the same color as the background, in our case white. Let's create a first circle in the center of our canvas, 200 times 200, radius of 50, from 0 to half pi times 2. I'll make it red. Don't forget to call the fill. Second circle has the same X and Y position, but a smaller radius, and I'll make it blue for now. So on top it just completely overpaints the red one, but if I make it 10, you can see it's the smaller circle in center. And if I make this white, it looks like we have a donut, so it looks like a cutout, but it's technically not a cutout. Or we can create one using HTML Canvas. All that we need is to change the cdx.fill. Let me use the second circle, I'll place it right here. Fill style is red. It's currently applied to both. But if we change the value inside of cdx.fill from empty to even odd, the second one will be seen as a cutout for the first one. And this is exactly what we want. You can see we've got the same effect created that we've had prior using two circles. If we get rid of this, nothing is visible. So this even odd is the important part. And we can adjust, for example, the fill style, make it blue, and only the outer circle will be adjusted. And we can change the radius of the second one and make our hole bigger or smaller. So use even odd when you want to create cutouts, for example in a donut design. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.